In this video, you're going to learn Glide from Oscar Brooks, the CEO of V88, one of the premier Glide agencies. If after this video you want to check out Oscar's full courses on building in Glide, check the link in the description to go to No Code MBA. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
So what we're going to do now is look at a new UI feature, which I have personally been excited for a very, very long time. And it can be found up in the settings tab here, and that is dark mode. So we've built this applicant tracker, and I haven't even seen what dark mode might look on this yet. So let's, over here under environment, you've also got the ability to have deep versions of your color for the accent at the top there rather than the accent itself, which again is super nice. But most importantly, dark mode. So let's see. Wow. Well, that looks really, really cool. Maybe like that. I think I prefer that. And then what does, if we change highlight, okay, so we get that gray versus the black background there. So let's go with this. I think it looks really, really nice. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to continue working on this application in dark mode now because nothing else has changed, and it's really cool to see how it actually looks. There's also here an auto setting which will basically match the system. So for me, because I run most of my I run my Mac on dark mode, it will stay the same. But this means if a user has light mode configured on their device, they will view the app in light mode, and if they have dark, they'll view it like this. So the forms look really, really nice, especially with this blue. So let's go with it. That's dark mode, and it's really exciting. I've been looking forward to that for a very long time.
Hope that you enjoyed Oscar's video. If you have any questions at all, please just leave a comment below. If you want to get Oscar's full Glide Apps course, check the link in the description or go to nocode.mba to view our full Glide course, where we go into a lot more detail about how to build advanced features in Glide. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all of our future free content, and I'll see you in the next video.